Hi, I'm Lindsay Poe Rousseau, Chief Financial Officer for Sedgwick County. Through the Federal CARES Act, Sedgwick County is able to provide area organizations and entities assistance with addressing the impacts of and responding to COVID-19. To do that, we've created a needs assessment form that we hope you'll fill out to tell us what needs your organization is facing. And today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on filling out the form. Visit sedgwickcounty.org, click on Sedgwick CARES Notice of Funding Opportunity and Solicitation of Information, located just below the banner. When you go to this page, scroll down to the table of contents, review the proposed programs, and determine if any of the categories seem to fit you. If they don't, there is an Other Unanticipated Needs Assistance Program category. Click on that link, and it will take you to the description of that particular program, including eligible uses, potential eligible applicants, eligible costs, and ineligible cost categories. If that seems to fit your organization, scroll down to the bottom and click on the appropriate link. For purposes of our tutorial today, I'm going to click on I provide other services in Sedgwick County. On this page, you'll fill out required information about your organization. So list the name, your street address, and most importantly, the authorized representative for your organization. When you're done with that screen, click Next, and it will take you to a screen that then describes your funding. This one is important for us to understand if you have received assistance from any other entity, especially federal entities. So fill this form out to the best of your ability. When you've completed this information, again, go to the next screen and tell us about your 2020 budget and administration, including what impact COVID-19 has had on your budget and your response efforts. Particularly if you've had any closures, please list that in the impact screen. When you've completed that work, go to the final tab on Other Needs. And what this screen asks is probably the most important information we need from this form, and that includes what costs associated with COVID-19 you've already incurred from March 1st, 2020 through June 1st, and then what you project your future costs will be. This will assist the County Commission in determining how much to allocate for each program area. When you've completed that information, click I'm Not a Robot and submit the form. Please don't delay. Forms are due back to the county by June 19th. For more information, please email sedgwickcares@sedgwick.gov or dial 316-660-7148.